Is the Congress a party in ICU today? A party which is struggling with its very existence?
Want me to speak in English?
In English, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it's on.
In my nearly 50 years in politics, I've heard such a statement made several times by your distinguished predecessors in the journalistic world. They said it in 1977. They said it again in 1998. They've said it again in 2003. And they are saying it again. Like any other political party, Congress faces ups and downs. I agree that we have faced some setbacks, but just go back to 2018-19. In 5 state elections, Congress won. People have very short memories. We won in Goa, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh. Those elections were stolen from us by the BJP. They are not elected governments there. They are governments which were stolen from the Congress party with the help of the governors. Even as we speak today, there is a disqualification petition against 13 MLAs of Manipur on which the governor sought the views of the Election Commission. Election Commission gave its views in October 2020. The governor is sitting on that. So that's an illegitimate government sitting in Manipur today. So I don't think you should decide the future of the Congress party by temporary defeats. Also remember that we've had significant successes in the last 2.5 years.
So I'm posing this question because the Congress is now in power in only 3 states in the country: Punjab, Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan. You've just cemented an alliance with the DMK in Tamil Nadu, where you've got the lowest number of seats that you've ever had to contest in election, just 25. In Kerala, sharp faction fighting and opinion polls suggest that you may lose a state where traditionally governments change every 5 years. In Assam, most polls still put the BJP well ahead. And in Bengal, you are a C team as part of a left-led alliance. Somewhere something has gone wrong, that a mighty party is now reduced to just some corners of the country. You're not even in power in one part of southern India, your one-time bastion.
That's true as we speak today, but that need not be true tomorrow. I'm still confident that we will win in Kerala. I'm absolutely confident that our alliance, headed by the DMK, will score a thumping victory in Tamil Nadu. And I think we have a fighting chance in Assam. Puducherry, I can't say yet because the alliances are being formed. I can't say yet. But let me ask you the question. The BJP is in North India in about 7 states. In 7 other states, the BJP is not in power. Therefore, it's not as though the BJP has sway over North India. The BJP does not have sway over North India. And the last time there was a major battle in key states, Rajasthan, Madhya